Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Renault Scenic. This is a two-owner vehicle that comes with 20-inch alloy wheels. There's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got a half-leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as digital radio, Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual-zone air conditioning. There's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre diesel engine that gives you 108 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 13,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.